Hello children, we are back again here to do our mathematics class and we will continue our chapter number 4, that is multiplication and division of large number. Alright students, and we are going to solve the exercise question from the exercise number 4.5, and today we are going to solve the what problems on division from the question number 3 onwards. So let's move to the exercise questions. So students, our question number 3 is, you can see here, Sarah collected 900 different leaves. She made a collection of books with 25 leaves in each book. How many books of leaves did Sarah make? So there are number of leaves is different, 900, and with each book 25 leaves is there. So we have to find out the number of books. How many can be made with these 900 leaves. Alright students, so I am giving one simple example to you before doing these questions. So you can see here, I have given here 1, 2, 3, 4 page to you. If I will ask you, you have to make in these 4 pages, you have to make the copy, and if you will staple 2 page here like this, 2 page together, then it will be 1 copy. Suppose I am saying it's 1 copy. So in one book copy, in one copy there are 2 page. You can see here 1 copy there are 1, 2 page. In one copy there is 2 page. But if I will say with the total number of page 4, how many copy can be made, students? So easily you can see here 2, this 2 1, this 2 1, and this 2 1. So 2 copy you can make. But how you have found out it? You can see the total page is 4. So you can now what you have to total page is 4. So 1 copy, 2 page. So number of copy, what we have to do? 4 divided by 2, you will get this 2. That means 2 copy we can make. So same way we will apply it here in this question number 3. Alright students? You can see the 25 leaves required to make 1 book and 900 leaves required to make. So 900 divided by 25, you will get 36 books. So our division, but how we have done? Do you know? See, the process is actually like this. 25 leaves required to make 1 book. So 1 leaves required to make how many book? You have to do like this. 1 divided by 25, that means 1 by 25. So 900 leaves, you have to do 900 into 1 divided by 25. So 900 into 1 means 900. So it means it's coming 900 by 25. So that means 900 divided by 25. So this is the actual way. But we will here doing 2 ways, as you are in class 5 now. So you can see the division work here I have shown. 25 3 75. So 90 minus 75, 15, and 0 will come here. So 150. 25 6 150. So after subtracting we have got here 0. That means this is the quotient will be the result of the number of books. So Sarah made 36 books with the 900 different leaves. Alright students, so now let's move to the question number 4. So students, question number 4 our is a fund of 6,24,496 is required for a charity. How much amount will each family contribute if 368 families decided to contribute equally? So equally means same amount should be contribute. Alright students, and a charity, all of you know, a fund is this much. So total fund required 6,24,496. So number of family is 368. Therefore, amount of contribution by each family, with what we have to do, we have as equally said in our question. So we have to divide it. So there will be 6,24,496 divided by 368, and division work will show here, and you have to show in your copy. All right. So 368, as it is 624. So if you will multiply here by 2, so it will be larger number, as it is 68 and it is 3 to just 6 already. So we have to give 1 jar 368, 1 jar 368. So after subtracting 4, we have 14. 1 we have to carry here, 14 minus that 14 40 1 we have to borrow 1, so 14 minus 8 6, then it is as it is given here, so 1, that means 11 minus 6 5, so there it is 4 5 minus 3 2, so 256, and 4 we have to bring here, so now we can see 368 6 ja 20 22, so 368 6 ja 20, it is 2208. So after subtracting we have got here 356. Now we will bring this 9 here, so now it's becoming 3569. So we can do it now. So 368, if we do it 9 ja, then we will get here, we have got 3312. So after subtracting we have got 257. Now we'll bring this 6 in down, so it is becoming 2576. So 368 7 ja, we will do 7 just to 2576. So that means we have got the same result. So after subtracting we have got here 0. So our question will be our answer. The answer is, so number of rupees, amount of rupees, it will be 1697. Alright students, so that means each family will contribute rupees, that's 1697 for the charity. Alright students, so next let's see our question number 5. Question number 5 is, there are 384,000 books in a library. How many shelves are there for all the books in the library if there are 480 books in one shelf? So students, you have the idea of library, as we have library in our school. So in library you use, it's organize the books in the shelves or not. So suppose you have seen in our school, so same way we will apply it in this question number 5. So it is said that 400 shelf required to for 480 books to keep one shelf. So shelves required for 384,000 books, we have to do divide. So it is after dividing what we will get. See here the division work I have shown here. See, as it is 384, so if we will take the 3 digit also, it is given 480. So it is the less number and it is larger number, so we cannot divide. That means we have to take 4 digits. So it is now it's becoming 3840. So if we'll divide here 480 8 ja, you will get 3840. Alright student, that means same. So after subtracting here we have got 0. So 0 means if we'll bring one more 0 here, that is if we'll bring 1, then also you will get 0, as 480 0 ja 0. Then also if we'll take more 1 0, then also you will get 0. So that means we have got the 800 in our result. So as 20, this remaining 20 will be in half. So as it is no, we cannot divide more, so 480 0 ja 0. So this is our result is be for 800 only. Alright students, so you can see here there are 800 cells for all the books in the library. Alright students, now our question number 6 is, a total sale of 97,75,404 was recorded at 324 stalls on the final day of the book fair. If all 324 stalls recorded equal sale, how much was the sale per stall that day? So that means the total amount of sale is this much, 97,75,404. So total number of stall is 324, and we have to find out the sale of the per day, that means per stall of that one day. Alright, so and book fair means where we can, there's so many stores, or you can say shop also, book shop that is available in such a place, and we can, so many people are coming to buy the books from there, that is the book fair. Alright, and stall means similar way that book stall and book shop. Alright, so Fine students, now we'll solve it. So this much we have to divide it to find out the number of, so rupees, amount of rupee that per day per sale. So equal, as it said, equal sale, that means each, suppose there are 5 shop is there and each shop has or stall has equal recorded, that means equal books they have sell in same, that similar that day. Okay, so now we have to divide it. So student, division work you have to show in your copy only. So 300, there is 977, so 303 ja we have got 972. So 7 minus 2, 5, and 7 70, so 0 no need to give. So 5, now we will bring one more 5, 55. So 55 also we cannot divide it by 324 as 55 is less number, so we'll give here or put here 1 0. Now we'll bring the 4 in the with this remainder. Now we can divide it with together 554, so now it's becoming larger number than 324. All right, so now 324 ones, as if we'll do 324 into 2, so it will be 600 plus, as 3 to just 6, this 3 into 2, 6 to the 6, so it will be larger number, so we have to give 1 jar 1, then 324. So now 4 minus 4 0, 5 minus 2 3, and 5 minus 3 2, so 230. Now we'll bring the next, zero here, so it is becoming 2300. So now 324 7 jar 2268. So we have to borrow 10 minus 8, that's 2. Then here it is, now it's 9 as we have taken here already. So 9 minus 6 3, where it is 2 minus 2 0 as we have borrowed here from 3, so 32. And now we'll bring this remaining 4, so 324. Now 324, and this is also 324, so 324 1 ja 324. So now our after subtracting we have got this 0, that means remainder is 0. So this quotient will be the amount of rupees sale per that day each stall. All right, so the sale per stall of the day was this much, 3 this. So this is the 30,171. All right students, so I hope this is clear to you how we can solve this question answer. Okay, thank you students.